And Lithuania's incoming prime minister said he's open.
彭博社，立陶宛的后任总体称希望改善对华关系。可能会恢复两国互派大使，但是并不会采取不计代价的方式，不会重新考虑对台政策。你对此评论？
有关表。
We noted the statement from Lithuania. It's all note that the wrong behavior of Lithuania on Taiwan-related questions is the fundamental reason causing the difficulties between the bilateral relationship. China's dialogue, the door for dialogue is always open, and we hope Lithuania can go back to the right road of pursuing the One China principle, abide by the political commitments of the communiques of diplomatic relations, and accumulate conditions for the normalization of our bilateral relations.